Feeling your legs get weaker every year? Don't blame your age. The problem might be in your fruit bowl. Discover the 7 fruits that can rebuild strength and help you move with ease again. The core problem and solution. As we get older, we might feel weaker, stiffer, or have joint pain. Sometimes these aches and pains aren't just from getting older. What we eat can play a big role in how we feel. Certain fruits can actually cause inflammation in your body. This inflammation can lead to more pain and stiffness. However, there are also fruits that can help you feel better. These fruits can help rebuild tissue and ease joint pain. They can also improve your blood flow and give you more strength. Eating the right fruits in the right way is very important. Think of food as medicine that can help you stay active. Let's talk about how you can use fruit to feel your best. First, consider limiting fruits known to cause inflammation. These include fruits high in sugar, like some grapes. Pay attention to how your body feels after eating certain fruits. Now, let's focus on fruits that can help you feel stronger. Berries are a great choice, like blueberries and strawberries. They're packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Cherries can also help reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. Pineapple contains bromelain, which can help with swelling. Papaya has enzymes that can aid digestion and reduce bloating. Bananas are a good source of potassium for muscle function. Remember to eat a variety of fruits for the best results. Try to eat fruits that are in season for the best flavor. Talk to your doctor or a dietitian about your diet. They can help you create a plan that's right for you. They can also help you identify any food sensitivities. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This helps your body process the nutrients from the fruits. Listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel. Making small changes to your diet can make a big difference. Focus on eating healthy fruits to feel stronger and more active. Remember, you can take control of your health and well-being. Eating the right fruits is a step in the right direction. It's about making choices that support your overall health. With a healthy diet, you can enjoy a more active life. Consider keeping a food diary to track your progress. This will help you identify what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruits. Find the ones you enjoy and that make you feel good. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Make healthy eating a part of your daily routine. Small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. Focus on adding more healthy fruits to your meals. This can help you feel stronger and more energetic. You deserve to feel your best at any age. Taking care of your body is a gift you give yourself. By making smart choices, you can live a healthier life. Tart cherry for recovery. Tart cherry juice can help your muscles feel better after exercise. It may also help you sleep more soundly at night, which is very important. Good sleep helps your body repair itself so you feel refreshed. Try drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice in the evening. This might help reduce any stiffness you feel in the morning. Remember, a little bit of tart cherry juice can go a long way. Listen to your body and see how it reacts to the tart cherry juice. If you have any concerns, talk to your doctor before trying it. Muscle soreness can be a challenge as we get older. Tart cherry juice offers a natural way to address this discomfort. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Consider tart cherry juice as a gentle aid to improve your sleep quality. Evening consumption is key. It helps prepare your body for rest. Morning stiffness can limit your activity, so take steps to prevent it. A nightly dose of tart cherry juice could make a real difference. Always prioritize your health and seek professional medical advice. This information is for general knowledge and not a substitute for care. Tart cherry juice is a simple way to support your body's recovery. It's worth exploring if you experience muscle soreness or sleep issues. Remember to start with a small amount and see how you feel. Your comfort and well-being are always the top priority. Tart cherry juice might be a helpful addition to your routine. It's a natural option to support your body's natural healing process. Consider adding it to your evening routine for potential benefits. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions. They can help you determine if it's right for you and your needs. Muscle inflammation can be a source of discomfort and pain. Tart cherry juice has properties that may help reduce inflammation. Improving your sleep is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Tart cherry juice can be a gentle way to promote better sleep. Tissue repair happens while you sleep, so good sleep is vital. Consuming tart cherry juice in the evening can support this process. Small amounts are best, as too much can cause digestive upset. Morning stiffness can make it hard to get going in the morning. Tart cherry juice may help reduce this stiffness and improve mobility. Consider it as a natural way to support your body's recovery process. Always consult with your doctor before making any major changes. They can help you make informed decisions about your health. Remember that everyone is different, so results may vary. Pay attention to how your body responds to the tart cherry juice. If you experience any side effects, stop using it and consult a doctor. Your health and safety are always the most important considerations. Pomegranate for blood flow. Let's talk about pomegranate and how it can help your legs feel better. Pomegranate helps your body make something called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is very important for healthy blood flow in your body. It helps your blood vessels relax and widen, making it easier for blood to flow. This improved blood flow means more oxygen gets to your leg muscles. Think of it like giving your legs a refreshing drink of oxygen. When your leg muscles get enough oxygen, they work much better. This can help reduce those heavy, tired, or burning feelings in your legs. If your legs often feel heavy or tired, pomegranate might be worth trying. You can enjoy pomegranate in several ways, such as juice or the fruit itself. Pomegranate juice is a simple way to get the benefits. Eating the seeds of the fruit is another delicious option. Talk to your doctor before making big changes to your diet. This is especially important if you have any health conditions. Your doctor can help you decide if pomegranate is right for you. Remember, a healthy diet is important for overall well-being. Staying active is also key to keeping your legs feeling good. Try to incorporate regular walking into your daily routine. Even a short walk each day can make a big difference. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. If you experience any pain, stop and rest. Consider talking with a physical therapist for more leg exercises. They can show you exercises to strengthen your leg muscles. Proper hydration is also important for good circulation. Make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water each day. Wearing comfortable shoes can also help your legs feel better. Choose shoes that provide good support and cushioning. Avoid wearing high heels or shoes that are too tight. Taking care of your legs is an important part of staying healthy. By making small changes, you can improve your leg health. Consider pomegranate, gentle exercise, and proper hydration. These simple steps can help you feel your best. Always consult with your doctor about any health concerns. They can provide personalized advice based on your needs. Citrus for joint support. Let's talk about keeping your joints healthy, especially your knees, hips, and ankles. Vitamin C is very important for building collagen, which helps keep your joints strong. Citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, are a great way to get your vitamin C. Try eating whole citrus fruits instead of just drinking the juice for the best benefit. Be careful with grapefruit if you're taking statins or blood pressure medicine. Grapefruit can sometimes interfere with how those medications work in your body. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you're unsure about grapefruit and your medications. Keeping your joints healthy helps you stay active and enjoy your daily life. Remember, a balanced diet is key to overall health and well-being as you get older. Consider adding more citrus fruits to your diet to support your joint health. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel. Listen to your body and make choices that support your long-term health. Staying active and eating well are important for a happy and healthy life. Always check with your doctor before making big changes to your diet or medications. Your doctor can give you personalized advice based on your individual needs. Taking care of your joints is an investment in your future health and happiness. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps keep your joints lubricated and functioning properly. Consider adding other vitamin C-rich foods to your diet, like strawberries or peppers. A variety of fruits and vegetables can help you get all the nutrients you need. Focus on eating a colorful plate of food each day for optimal health. Think of food as medicine and choose foods that support your well-being. Regular exercise, along with a healthy diet, can help keep your joints strong. Even gentle activities like walking can make a big difference. Listen to your body and avoid activities that cause pain or discomfort. Your health is important, and taking care of yourself is a priority. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. They can help you create a plan that's right for you and your needs. Blueberries for muscle protection. Think of blueberries as tiny protectors for your muscles. especially after you've been active. They're full of good things called antioxidants that help your muscles recover more quickly. Blueberries are also low in sugar, which is good news for keeping your blood sugar steady. Adding a handful of blueberries to your breakfast or snack is a simple way to care for your body. Consider blueberries a delicious and easy way to support your muscle health as you stay active. Remember that even gentle activities like walking can benefit from the muscle support blueberries provide. Blueberries can help reduce muscle soreness after activities like gardening or playing with grandchildren. Enjoy blueberries as part of a balanced diet to help your muscles stay strong and healthy. If you have diabetes, discuss blueberry intake with your doctor to ensure they fit your diet plan. Choose fresh or frozen blueberries for the same great benefits any time of year. Wash blueberries thoroughly before eating to remove any dirt or residue. If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor about the right amount of blueberries for you. Blueberries can be a tasty and helpful addition to your routine for staying active and feeling good. Listen to your body and adjust your blueberry intake based on how you feel after activity. Remember, small changes like adding blueberries can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Focus on enjoying the taste and the benefits that blueberries can offer your muscles. Consider blueberries as a natural way to support your active lifestyle, maintain muscle health. Eating blueberries regularly can contribute to your ability to stay active and independent. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on incorporating blueberries. Blueberries are a convenient and delicious way to support your muscle health as you age. Remember that consistent healthy habits, including eating blueberries, are key to feeling your best. Enjoy the simple pleasure of blueberries and the positive impact they can have on your body. Adding blueberries to your diet is a proactive step you can take for your muscle health. Think of blueberries as a small but mighty tool in your journey to stay healthy and active. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Blueberries are a delicious and convenient way to add antioxidants to your daily routine. Consider blueberries as part of a well-rounded approach to maintaining your muscle strength. Enjoy blueberries in moderation as part of a balanced and healthy eating plan. Blueberries can be a helpful addition to your diet if you are experiencing muscle fatigue. Remember to stay hydrated and get enough rest to support your muscle recovery along with blueberries. Prunes for gut and bone health. Let's talk about prunes and how they can help you stay healthy as you get older. Prunes are a simple, natural way to support both your gut and your bones. A healthy gut is very important because it helps your body absorb nutrients. When your gut works well, it can also help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Think of it like this. A happy gut can lead to a happier, healthier you. Prunes also contain special things that are good for your bones, keeping them strong. Strong bones are essential for staying active and independent as you age. Eating prunes regularly can be a tasty way to help keep your bones healthy. How many prunes should you eat? A handful a day is often a good starting point. You can add them to your breakfast cereal, oatmeal, or even enjoy them as a snack. They're easy to carry with you, making them a convenient and healthy choice. If you have any questions about adding prunes to your diet, ask your doctor. Your doctor can help you figure out what's best for your individual needs. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health. Taking care of your gut and bones is an investment in your future well-being. Prunes are just one tool you can use to support a healthy and active life. Consider adding them to your routine and see how they can benefit you. It's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before making big diet changes. They know your health history and can give you personalized advice. Staying healthy is a journey, and every little bit helps you along the way. Think of prunes as a small, sweet step towards a healthier and stronger you. Enjoy them as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day as well. Water is important for digestion and overall health, especially with prunes. So give prunes a try and see if they can make a positive difference for you. Your gut and your bones will thank you for it in the long run. It's a simple and delicious way to support your overall well-being. Stay active, eat well, and keep those bones and gut happy and healthy. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. They can help you make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Your health is important, and taking care of yourself is always worthwhile. Prunes are just one piece of the puzzle, but but a tasty and helpful one. So enjoy your prunes and keep striving for a healthier and happier you. Making small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Stay positive, stay active, and keep making healthy choices every day. Your health is an investment, and it's worth taking care of yourself. Consider prunes as part of a balanced approach to healthy aging. They can be a valuable addition to your diet and lifestyle. Remember to listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel. Your body will tell you what it needs, so be sure to listen carefully. Stay informed, stay proactive, and keep taking care of your health. You deserve to live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Prunes can be a small but meaningful part of that journey. So, enjoy your prunes and keep striving for your best health. Remember, you are in charge of your health and well-being. Make choices that support your goals and help you thrive. Prunes can be a helpful tool in your health and wellness toolkit. Use them wisely and enjoy the benefits they can provide. Keep moving, keep eating well, and keep taking care of yourself. You've got this, and you deserve to live your best life. Remember to talk to your doctor about any health concerns you may have. They are there to support you and help you stay healthy. Prunes are a simple way to support your gut and bone health. Try adding them to your daily routine for a tasty boost. Blackberries and raspberries for balance. Blackberries and raspberries can help you stay steady on your feet. These berries support healthy nerves and blood vessels, vital for balance. Healthy nerves and blood flow help your legs work properly. This helps you move with better control and reduces your risk of falls. Adding these berries to your diet could improve your coordination. Think of blackberries and raspberries as a tasty way to support your stability. Enjoying these berries can help your reflexes stay sharp. Good reflexes are essential for preventing trips and stumbles. Eat a handful of blackberries or raspberries each day. You can add them to your breakfast cereal or yogurt. They also make a delicious and healthy afternoon snack. Consider fresh or frozen berries for the best benefits. Talk to your doctor about incorporating berries into your diet. They can advise you on the right amount for your individual needs. Remember, staying active is also key for good balance. Try gentle exercises like walking or chair yoga regularly. Maintaining a healthy weight can also improve your balance. Be sure to wear supportive shoes to minimize the risk of falls. Check your home for hazards like loose rugs or clutter. Good lighting can also help you see and avoid obstacles. Blackberries and raspberries are just one part of a healthy lifestyle. Combining them with other healthy habits can improve your well-being. Prioritize your health and take steps to stay steady and strong. Small changes can make a big difference in your balance. Focus on incorporating these tips into your daily routine. Your health is worth the effort, so take care of yourself. Remember to consult your doctor before making major dietary changes. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history. Enjoy the taste and the potential benefits of these berries. They are a delicious and nutritious way to support your health. The golden rule: simplicity over quantity. Think of fruit as a helpful friend, not a huge meal replacement. Instead of large smoothies, try eating whole fruits. This helps your body absorb the good stuff more easily. Focus on one key health concern you want to address. Then, choose a fruit known to help with that specific issue. For example, if you need more fiber, try some prunes. If you're feeling tired, a small apple might give you a boost. Start with just one serving of that fruit each day. Pay attention to how you feel after eating it. Are you noticing any positive changes in your body? It's best to introduce new foods slowly and carefully. This way, you can identify any potential problems quickly. Eating whole fruit provides fiber that smoothies often lack. Fiber helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. Consider the sugar content of different fruits too. Some fruits have more natural sugar than others. If you have diabetes, talk to your doctor first. They can help you choose the best fruits for you. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to fruit. Enjoy the natural sweetness and health benefits, but don't overdo it, especially with smoothies. Eating a variety of fruits is good for overall health. But start with one that targets your main concern. This makes it easier to track your progress and feel better. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Fruit can be a delicious and healthy part of your diet. Just be mindful of how much you're eating and choose whole fruits over large blended drinks. Small changes can make a big difference in your health. So start with one fruit and see how you feel. You might be surprised at the positive impact. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can offer personalized advice tailored to your needs. Enjoy the journey to better health with mindful eating.